Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 426 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Call Me On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer that I have here from the brand Adora. And this company sent me a couple of products, and I've never tried anything from this brand before, but you can buy it online at the miaadora.com. And they also gave me a 20% off discount code. It's Christy, but I will put that in the description box down below. So this brow product comes in 3 different shades, and I have the shade Hot Caramel, and it's cruelty-free and paraben-free, and it just sounds like such a great brow product. It's supposed to be very long lasting, and it claims to be able to give very precise lines and definition, and it's even waterproof. So here's how it looks. The packaging on this is really nice, and I love that it has a spoolie on one end. I cannot do my brows without a spoolie. And then let's see how, oh yeah, that is very fine point, and it twists up too, which is great. I'm really excited about how small the point is on this. So I'm really liking how my makeup is looking today, except for I feel like it looks so incomplete without having my brows filled in. So let's get to it. First, I need to brush through my eyebrows because I have such long, unruly brow hairs. Gosh, and they are really needing to be plucked and shaped up a bit now that I'm looking at them in this light. But that's okay, I will work around it. And so this packaging here, it gives instructions which are so helpful. Oops, holding it upside down. With images of how to fill in your brows. So it says step 1, line below, step 2, line above, step 3, fill and blend. So I will try and follow those steps. I personally don't usually outline the top part of my brows, but I want to try it because maybe I've been doing it wrong. And this has really nice pigment. Actually, let me go ahead and swatch it on my hand so I can show you the shade. But I'm just very lightly touching it, and it's giving me a nice light shade. But then you can also go in a little bit harder and build up the color to be a bit darker. So this is a really nice shade, and I like products that where you go in with a light hand, it'll be lighter, but then you can build up the color, so then you can kind of get that ombre effect, which looks so good for the brows. Now I'll go and line it above. I am really liking how small and precise these lines are that I'm able to make. Okay, so now I have the general shape, so I'm just going to fill in these sparse areas and then blend it through. Ooh, this is such a nice spoolie. So this Hot Caramel shade is the lightest of the 3 shades, and it does have a warm tone to it. So if you have blonde, auburn, red hair, I think this would be a great match. I love the way it looks, how it's blended. It looks natural. My eyebrow looks so full and defined. The shape I feel like is really nice. It was easy to get the perfect shape, and just the difference. This eyebrow versus this eyebrow is so dramatic, but so easy to get. Like, oh my gosh, I just love having perfected filled in eyebrows. So now let me go ahead and fill in the other brow in order to get my final thoughts. I'm liking this technique of lining it above and below before filling it in, because I typically would fill it in at the bottom and then just kind of work my way up. But this does give a nice outline, easy shape to follow. And so there I just put in the product in the places where I felt like my brows were sparse and I defined the shape. But so this is why I need to use the spoolie, because if I just left my eyebrow like this and didn't blend it in, it just doesn't look natural. You can see that there are lines and the product just looks like a pencil. But then when you blend it in, it all just goes together so seamlessly. It doesn't look like there is pencil marks anymore. It just looks like a perfected natural brow. Yay, I love the final results. I think these brows look so good. I will say that if you have long eyebrow hairs like I do, I would still recommend setting this with a gel, because this pencil formula doesn't really have any way of keeping the brows in place. Like, they can move very easily. It doesn't have any sort of gel waxiness to it that's actually going to keep the eyebrows in place. So I would want to go ahead and do that extra step of applying my brow gel. So while I'm here, I will go ahead and show you how I love to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. And this is how I do my brows every day. And if you want to see my review on the Clear Brow Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I will link my video of that down below. But yeah, so quick and easy. I've tried out a lot of brow products, and this one is definitely up to par. It's in line with some of my favorite brow products. And this has a saying on it, which is so sweet. It says, "Be the definer of your life, define your passion, your dreams, and of course, your brows," which I feel like is a message to live by. And with that being said, I think it would be fun if in the comments down below, you define your passion, your dreams, and let me know in the comments down below what those are for you. Because I love that message, and I love that this company is spreading that type of message. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.